In this video, you are going to see how to add a column to an existing table in Microsoft Word document. Here I have a table and I have 4 columns. If I want to add a column between B and C, I can click in the cell of B and click on right button, and here you will find an option Insert. Now if I want to add a column between B and C, we have to apply this option Insert a column to the right. Then a column will be added. If you want to add a column before the A, just click on this cell, click on right button, go to Insert and let us choose Insert a column to the right. Then a new column will be added. If you want to delete it, click on the cell, click on right button, click on delete cell and click on delete entire column and click on OK. Then the column will be deleted. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.